Yes, hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are enjoying video studies and taking care of your health too. You're not going out. Just be a responsible child that whenever your parents are going out, remind your parents to wear mask and to sanitize their hands, okay? So be a responsible child, remind your parents that what things they need to do whenever they are going out, and you should not go out only that at the time of emergency if it is the situation is so you need to go out, so at the time you can go out, but still you need to take care of yourself, okay? So yeah, coming back to the studies, children, we have completed two parts, part 1 and part 2 in science. Lesson number 1, adaptation by plants. So here we are starting part 3 for class 5th, okay? So everyone, check out your page number 119. So before we start part 3, let us recollect that what we have learned in the part 1 and part 2. Yes, in the part 1 and part 2 we have learned the different adaptation methods by the plants, what the plants are doing, what are the methods and techniques the plants are adopting for getting sunlight, for storing food and water, and for getting food, for getting air, even from protecting themselves from animals, and adaptation for seeds dispersal, the bursting, these two different types of adaptation methods, like how the seeds will come out of the plants. It will come out through the bursting with the help of air. Bursting in the sense वो लीफ जो भी फ्रूट है वो अपने आप बर्स्ट हो जाता है. बर्स्ट होने के बाद उसके अंदर से सीड निकल जाता है. So dispersal by air, how the seeds are transferring from one place to another place. It can transfer with the help of air. ओके क्योंकि कुछ सीड्स ऐसे रहते हैं, कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे रहते हैं जो इट विल लाइक अ हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. So definitely whenever there is a wind, that plant seeds will go along with the wind. So how so that's why the seeds are transferring from one place to another place. And another method was through water. Seeds of lotus plant, yes, lotus plants, how do they travel? They have a leaf like structure on which they have a spores, okay? So that leaf will act like a boat, and with the help of that leaf the seeds will wherever the water is flowing, the seeds will also go towards the wherever the water is flowing. So next is what? Dispersal by animals. So in this you will learn that how the seeds dispersed with the help of animals. Dispersed in the sense plant is here, okay, you have a plant over here. So ये plant के seeds दूसरी जगह पे कैसे जाते हैं, okay? One was a method that dispersal by bursting, dispersal by air, dispersal by water. Now how the animals are helping to disperse the seeds from one place to another place. Let us read. Some seeds and fruits bear curved hooks or spikes. When a grazing animal passes through the plant, they attach themselves to the fur or hair of an animal. Thus, they are carried away to long distances. For example, tiger nail and xanthium. So, how it is dispersing with the help of animals? Some seeds are there, okay? That seeds have a hook or spikes. They will not small like उसको कांटे होते हैं. That hooks are not very dangerous, but it's like a little bit like काड़ी कैसे रहती है, वो तो एक कांटों की तरह. It will be like a hook, not very dangerous. It will not hurt the animal. So that it is been attached to the fruits or a vegetable of a plant. So what happens whenever the animal is passing through? Animals को भी बाल होते हैं, hair होते हैं. So whenever the animal is passing, what happens? वो जो कांटे होते हैं, वो जो hooks होते हैं, वो animals के fur पे या उनके hair को चिपक जाते हैं. Okay, it will get attached to the hair of the animals. So now wherever the animals are going, that seeds or that part of a plant, that seeds will also go along with the animal. So कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है कि वो हुक्स या जो वो सीड्स जो एनिमल्स के ऊपर हैं वो नीचे गिर गए. सो प्लांट यहाँ पे था, एनिमल वहां जाके है. सो दैट सीड्स विल गो ओवर देयर. ठीक है, वो सीड्स वहां पे रह जाएंगे और नीचे ही जमीन पे दे विल गेट व्हाट? न्यू प्लांट. यूजुअली हमारे टाइम अगर हमारे ऊपर भी कोई चीज रख दी जाए, ठीक है, 1 घंटा 2 घंटे हम सोचेंगे कि हाँ हमें मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा कि कोई कुछ चीज है हमारे ऊपर, बट स्टिल देन वी रियलाइज कि यस वी आर हैविंग समथिंग. सो इमीडिएटली विल पिक इट ऑफ एंड विल थ्रो इट. ओके हमें नहीं पता कि वो चीज कहाँ से आई, कैसे आई हमारे ऊपर, बट स्टिल वी आर पिकेटिंग आउट एंड वी आर throwing that. Similarly, the animals will also do that. What they, whenever they are passing, some seeds are been attached to their fur or the hair. So now wherever they are going at some situation, there arises कि जो seed उनके शरीर को, उनके बॉडी को लगा हुआ है, वो वहां से निकल के कहीं गिर गया. So जहाँ पे वो seed गिर गया, they will have a new plant. So this is how the seeds are transferring from one place to another place with the help of what? With the help of animals. An example are given: tiger nail and xanthium. These are like, see, tiger nail. These are the two things which helps, which is present in the animals and which helps the animals to take the seeds along with themselves, and wherever they are going, that seeds are also transferred along with them. So most seeds that travel with the help of animals, including humans, have tasty, fleshy, juicy fruits to attract them. The flesh of fruits like mango and orange is eaten, but the uneatable seeds are thrown away to different places. Not only animals, we human beings will also do the same. We eat mangoes, we eat different types of fruits. Okay, तो वही fruits को हम जो खाने वाली चीज है हम वो खा लेंगे, लेकिन उसके अंदर के जो बीज होते हैं, we will eat that? No, that is nothing but that are seeds. Okay, so mango में भी गुठली होती है, that is also a kind of seed. Apples में भी छोटे छोटे काले बीज होते हैं, that is also one type of seed. Many other plants will also have a seed. उसके छिलके, बनाना के ऊपर के जो छिलके हैं, okay, that will also some type of important item to grow a new plant. So what happens, whatever we want to eat, we will eat that item, and whatever non-eatable items are there, that we will throw in the dustbin. एंड डस्टबिन से फिर वो पूरा MCH म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन वाले वो लेके जाके उसको कहीं पे भी फेंक देते हैं. ओके, wherever they will store or wherever they will like wherever they will throw. So what happens, that seeds वो वहीं पर ही जमा हो जाते हैं. So जब वो seeds वहाँ पे जमा हो गए, so they will grow a new plant. Not only animals, but we human beings are also doing that kind of thing, that we are transferring the seeds of a fruits or any vegetable from one place to another place. Okay, because whatever the things we can eat, we will eat that. बट जो बीज होते हैं, उसके जो सीड्स होते हैं, वो हम लोग उसे फेंक देते हैं. सो फेंकने के बाद वो कहीं भी डस्टबिन में जाने के बाद या कहाँ जहाँ पे कचरा कुंडी है वहाँ जब फेंकेंगे, तो देर इफ दैट सीड्स will stay for longer time, so there the plant will grow. Otherwise again फिर वहाँ से seed कहीं और लेके चले गए. So wherever they find place, they will grow a new plant. Some seeds are swallowed up while eating fruits like guava, tomato by the animals including humans. Those seeds are hard enough to be digested by them, so they pass out intact in their faces. Seeds travel with the animals to distant places. But some seeds are there, okay, that seeds we can eat easily. Okay, it is very helpful for us to digest. So that seeds, when we are eating, it has been swallowed. Okay, it is not passing to any other place. We can easily eat that seeds. So few seeds which we cannot eat, we will throw that. So like this, the seeds are being transferred from one place to another place with the help of animals as well as with the help of human beings also. Next, dispersal of spores. Non-flowering plants like fungi do not produce seeds. They produce spores. Some plants like puffball fungus can produce millions of spores. Spores can easily be taken away by air or water. Finding a suitable place, they grow into plants and multiply again. So few plants, non-flowering plants, okay, what happens? Every plant will have a flower, they will have a seed, they will have a fruit, they will have a vegetable. But few plants will not have flowers. So what happens? They will have what? They will have spores. Okay, spores is like the structure which is connected to the leaf. So they have what? They will have spores which is attached to the leaf. And why they are having spores? Because these plants cannot bear flowers nor fruits. So that's why they will have spores. And many plants will have spores like this. Each leaf will have spores, and these spores can be easily transferred with the help of air or water from one place to another place. Okay, from one place to another place. And wherever now this is being transferred over here, तेज हवा आने की वजह से ये लीफ टूट के, इसका स्पोर टूट के, समझ लो यहाँ पे गिर गया. Okay, नीचे ज़मीन में यहाँ पे गिर गया. So जब यहाँ पे इनको अच्छे से पानी मिलेगा, whatever they are getting water or proper food, proper sunlight, so what happens here, the new plant will grow. New plant will grow. Then again the same leaves will have what, spores with this. Okay, so that is the uses of spores. How the plants are transferring, or the plant seeds या plants के spores, they are helping to grow new plant. This is how the air, water, sunlight and the spores are helping to grow a new plant. Okay, so spores are easily taken away by air or water. Finding a suitable place, they grow into plants and multiply again. Yes, so they can easily travel with the help of air and water, and wherever they are finding a proper place in the sense where they can get enough water and they can get enough sunlight, they can get enough food, so there they can grow, and again they can give birth to a multiple leaves like this, and each leaves will have a spores with them. Okay, each leaves will have a spores which is attached to them. And again, yes, I am saying don't get confused between the spores and the seeds. Seeds उसको रहते हैं जो प्लांट में फ्लावर हो या फ्रूट हो या वेजिटेबल हो. स्पोर्स उस प्लांट को रहते हैं जिस प्लांट पे ना फ्लावर है, ना फ्रूट है, ना वेजिटेबल है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ फ्लावर, फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल, दे विल हैव व्हाट, स्पोर्स. Is that clear? So yes, with this we have completed our lesson number 1 part 3. Go through the lesson, read it carefully, understand it, watch the videos, and yes, I think in the classwork I have given you new words and fill in the blanks. So I'll give you question answers also. You copy that question answers in the classwork in a neat handwriting. Okay children, so we'll meet with a new video for lesson number 2. Till then, goodbye.